Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about this new publisher called Tredition, and this Tredition publisher is located in Germany. So it gives, when we click on the project, it gives us categories in form of fiction, and they are the subcategories. The main category, these are the subcategories, then main category, and these are the subcategories, and again the main categories, these are the subcategories. You have to see where your book falls. I believe my book falls in career and finance, so I selected that. After that, you have to click next. You have to write your book title name, also the book series, and the which number it is in the series. As I'm making the series on the book distribution, so this is first one, so I click this. Here soft cover and ebook I have selected. You have to click individual format, whatever your paper size is, convert it into millimeter, and write it over here, just numbers. Here you have to select the team, create the team, and then the team will appear here. It is a team who helps you to write the book. ISBN, it helps us. ISBN is very important. It is individual, individual number for every book. This is my publishing label, azharulhaquesario publishing. How to create your file correctly, it gives you guidance, nothing to select on. Here you upload the file. I have uploaded the file. The computer has checked it, the system has checked it, and it has been found that it is correct. It has everything which needs to be in that file. If you don't have, correct it and re-upload it. And replace, this is for the ebook. If you do not have an ebook in EPUB format, you have in PDF, DOC, DOCX or pages, then you have to pay the 79.90 euro to this company, and they will do it conversion. They will do it for you. On the next step, we have this is how my book will look like. This is the view of my book. Here it is, marketing, ebook distribution. Next, see, this is how it is. And if we go there, zoom in a bit more, it is Germany, right? So it is made in Germany. It will be published in Germany. So it goes on, it goes on, it goes on, it goes on, it goes on. So you will check your book by like this. If you like it, thumbs up and go ahead. Ebook, they will not give you a review. Print book, no, I do not want my book to be in color. I want it to be in black, so I said no. This is a selection of material for my book. Is 9 gram text cream 126 perfect bond frosted. Maybe you can change it from here, but I'm happy with that. Here you have to make the cover. I suggest you to go with let me go back to go with this one. It helps you easily how to make cover. In this, you have to be a professional designer to make it possible. Here I have already made the cover using the tool I told you. I just uploaded the picture which I have created somewhere else. This is me, this is about my book, this is about me, and spine and the right size has been created automatically by the software. Here you will view how your book will look like. Here you will view ebook. how your ebook cover will look like. After that, you have to determine the selling price of your book. They will give you a range, and from that range you have to select. This is the range, in between you have to select. They say this is the minimum, this is the average, so it's up to you where you are putting your price. So you just have to drag it. Let's lower it a bit. I lower it. Okay. So this is the trade. What I'm receiving from other retailers is what I'm receiving from Tredition. Let's lower it a bit. 5.9. Yeah. This is the minimum. This is the maximum. This is average. This is the participation. It's like a subscription when someone it's like Netflix. When someone subscribe for Netflix, they watch movies as many as they can, and then the owner of the movie will earn some royalties on like the minutes you watch or the whole movie. Then you go for the next page, and which is about, it says give us a minute. Let's give them a minute. So it is about how your book should be found. It is all about, but you just have to say yes. It talks about search engines, and do you want it to be appear in the search engine, or where you want your book to be published, or publication date, now, later, whenever. Yeah, this is very detailed information you have to write. First, what is the topic of your book? I've selected this one. Click here, select your topic. It comes here. Click here, select your topic. It comes here. Then what is your book about? I have written a very long description as needed. Still, there are 339 characters left to write. For which readers is your book best suited? I have written all those who are interested in this book, I think. Narrow down the reader target group. I have narrowed down. Why should reader buy my book? I have written the explanation. A minimum 5, maximum 10 keywords. I have written it. So after writing the keyword, you have to press enter, then write another keyword, press enter. So that's how it goes on. Now tell your readers who wrote the book. azharulhaquesario Publishing. You can, for starter, just add image or write something about yourself, or maybe are they going to give me any option now? Yeah, see, I uploaded my image. I have just zoom out, the picture comes in here. I have to write about me. I open it, I go to the backup files. I usually keep in author help because they help me. So these are my, I just copied it. I have to write some more. Okay, I extended some more because they asked me to do it, so I have to do it, right? So this is done, right? We have to save it. I really know the version. Yeah, so here I have to write my last name, which is Sario. I have to write my first name, which is Azharulhaq, and then save. Everything is saved, everything is good. Let's see how it looks like. See, it looks like good. So you just have to go on the next page. When you are on the next page, so you will see that it is completed. This is how it looks like in the bigger screen. This is how it looks like in the tablet or mobile screen. Now they are generating the view, product page view. So when you visit their shop, you look at the book like this. The book will look like this. So you have to click here, check. After checking, the window will appear. It will ask whether you have not abused anyone, whether you have not used the names of the Star Publishing. This is Star Publishing. Okay, so it is now. Thank you. You have successfully initiated publication. We are now preparing the sales launch. We'll let you know. See, I got the message on mobile in 1 to 2 working days. So now what happens that this company works in 5 days a week. Okay, so this company works in 5 days a week, Monday to Friday. On weekend it is closed. So when there's a weekend, you cannot expect your book to be processed because it will be processing on the next day. Congratulations, everything is fine. You are just 1 click away from completing the project. We have completed it. Now our job is done. We will now go to the projects. After going there, we will see that we submitted, right? These books are in the sale. This is submitted. So when the company will open its offices and review this file again, and after viewing it, they will send it for the distribution. Thank you so much. I hope you like this and you will start publishing soon.